For our sample problem, let's have an equation of first derivative of the function t is equal to t, and x of 0 is equal to 2. So let's find the solution for this equation. So we have Laplace transformation. So this one, ilalaplace natin yung both. So we have Laplace transformation of first derivative of the function x is equal to Laplace transformation of t. So Laplace transformation of the first derivative of the function x is equal dun sa nakuha kanina, which is s times Laplace transformation of x minus x of 0 is equal to the Laplace transformation of t. So again, Laplace transformation of t raised to n is equal to n factorial over s raised to n plus 1. So this one is t raised to 1. So we have 1 over s, then yung n natin is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we have s squared. So if x of 0 is equal to 2, substitute na rin natin. So we have s times Laplace transformation of x, or the function x, minus x of 0, which is equal to 2. The constant is equal to 1 over s squared. So we have s times Laplace transformation of the function x is equal to 1 over s squared plus 2. And may s pa tayo dito. So we have Laplace transformation of x is equal to 1 over s times 1 over s squared plus 2. So we have 1 over s cubed plus 2 over s. This one is the Laplace transformation of x. So to get the function x, ang pwede natin gawin is i-inverse Laplace natin. So this one, i-inverse Laplace natin. And this one also. So we have inverse Laplace and Laplace transformation. So magiging x of t na lang siya, or the function x. So we have x of t is equal to, again, magka-cancel lang naman to, equals to the inverse Laplace of 1 over s cubed plus inverse Laplace. So pwede ko naman ilabas tong 2. So we have 2. Then we have inverse Laplace of 1 over s. Okay. So as a review, in inverse Laplace table, so inverse Laplace of 1 over s raised to n, this one is equal to t raised to n minus 1 over n minus 1 factorial. And the inverse Laplace of 1 over s is equal to 1. So we have inverse Laplace of 1 over s cubed. So ang n natin is raised to 3. So we have t raised to 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 factorial plus 2 inverse Laplace of 1 over s is equal to 1. So x of t, or the function x of t, is equal to t squared over 2 factorial, which is also equals to 2 plus 2. So, ito yung constant natin. So, ito yung pinaka-solution natin for the sample problem, the x of t. So, as you can observe, pwede naman natin siya manu-manuhin. So, if we have the first derivative of the function x of t is equal to t, and we have a constant of 2, which is the x of 0, which is also the constant, is equal to 2. So, pwede natin siyang integral. So, kapag in-integral natin to, may derivative and antiderivative. So, makukuha na lang natin is x of t is equal to integral of t, which is equal to t squared over 2. Huwag kakalimutan yung plus c. So, if constant natin is equal to 2, so x of t is equal to t squared over 2 plus 2. So, same lang yung nakuha din natin. So, it means that pwede natin gamitin yung Laplace transformation in differential equation.